beat New Zealand in the final of this ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021. Jeff Crow is the match referee. Babar Azam, the Pakistan captain. Aaron Fitz, Australia's captain. Gentlemen, welcome. Babar, you've got the coin. Heads. It's called. It's Australia. Well, Australia have won the toss. And what are you going to do and why?
We're going to have a bowl first, mate. We think that's a nice looking wicket. Don't think it'll change too much throughout the night.
And just vying for the right to get into that final for Australia. It's been a while. How are the guys feeling?
Yeah, everyone's quite relaxed. Obviously, there'll be a few nerves once we step out onto the field, but that's expected. It's a huge occasion. We're really pumped for it.
So much talk from the outside anyway about the battle in the power play. How do you feel that will define this game?
Well, I think that the trend has been through the IPL and through the T20 World Cup that the power play has played a huge part in it. There's no secret about that. So both teams have got firepower with the ball in the power play, so it'll be a great battle.
Any changes to your lineup?
No, same team, mate.
All the best.
Thank you, mate. Thank you. All the best, brother.
Baba, how comfortable are you with setting a total?
We are trying to put runs on the board and defend it.
Big game. I think it's your first global tournament as captain and leader of this team. How are you feeling?
Look, it is honor to me to such a bunch players, and we are trying to play in good cricket and looking forward to the match.
Knowledge of playing so much cricket here in the UAE for Pakistan. How does that set you guys up?
Definitely, UAE was our backyard, so we know two conditions very well. So we're trying to utilize that condition and trying to best today.
Any changes to your lineup?
Now we are going to send it.
All the best to you. Right, thank you very much to both captains. Australia have won the toss. They'll be bowling first.